watching Lightning Rocket, where today I'll be showing you how to make this really cool Minecraft bead from Perler Beads. This was a request, so I make every request you send me, although maybe not everyone because it's a lot of requests, but hopefully I'll be able to make the turtle very soon because I am still designing it because I don't have a lot of green beads and I'm trying to make as little green beads as possible. So this design is going to be a bit different than all my other ones because I'll be showing you how to make all the pieces right in front of you. So it's basically going to be a step-by-step tutorial from the very beginning. So I'll be making all the pieces on a pegboard. I'll be speeding them up. Also, don't forget to iron these wings really hard, like over iron them extremely, because wings aren't thick, they're usually flat. Also, you're going to be needing some toothpicks, and let's get started. For the very first part of the bee, we're going to be assembling the sides, as you can see me doing right here. You're going to need to make 2 of these pieces. Also, there's going to be this funny moment where it transitions and an ironed piece appears from out of nowhere, so stay tuned. Here's the funny place I talked to you about. Wait a sec after I've put on the ironing sheet and look closely as a piece appears. It's magic. Actually, it's not magic, I just transitioned. Now, we're going to be assembling the top and the bottom, as you may see doing right here. Make sure to pause the video after I'm done. Now I'm going to iron it, placing the sheet on top, and it's ironed. Okay, so this is going to be the same thing as in the previous part, that the part appeared from out of nowhere, like this. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy this way of building things. Now I'm assembling the face of our bee. Now it's done, almost done. I'm assembling the last beads. Finally, the face is complete. Okay, now I iron everything. Yay, it's ironed, woohoo! Okay, so now we're going to be assembling the back of our bee. As you see, it's going to be almost like the face, except it's going to be a bit more full with beads. Like this. Now you iron. Make sure to iron both sides and then place every piece under a weight because that's going to prevent it from bending. Now I'm going to be assembling the wings. This might be pretty hard for you to see because white beads and clear beads. Just make sure to make the white outline and just fill everything in with clear beads, like I'm doing right here. Okay, the wing is finished. Now I have to iron it. I am placing the sheet on top. Oh no, I kind of flipped the pegboard. Okay, so now I placed the sheet on top and now I ironed it. Like this. Now you're also going to be needing to make a second piece. Also make sure to over iron this part because it's going to be for the wings, and wings aren't thick, they're really flat. Now I'm going to be assembling the stinger and both of the antennae. I wasn't really sure how to make the antennas, so I just decided to make them more like on a real bee, which are these big ones and long ones. Okay, like this. Now I have to iron everything. Yay, it's ironed. Okay, so now we have to assemble. Now that you have successfully laid out all the pieces and ironed them, make sure to iron these really much. It's time to assemble. So firstly, we're going to take the bottom and the side and making sure that this black bead, which is going to be completing the face, we stick it in, also making sure that the lines are connected. Next, we're going to take the other side and place it in, making sure that the black beads are both at the bottom. Next, we're going to take the top and slide it in, like this. Then we're going to take the back, push it in, and then insert the stinger, making sure that 2 beads are sticking out. Next, we're going to take the face, and as you can see, there are these 2 beads here. I mean, not beads, holes more like. And we're going to make them go into these black beads so that it completes the eyes. Next, we're going to take the these, I don't know what they're called, antennas probably, and then we stick them in like so. Then we repeat the process on the other side. Yeah, okay. So this is how their bees should look like right now. Next, we're going to take one of the wings. I already made a hole here. I used I used my tweezers because they're really sharp. You can use a drill or whatever type of thing you can use to make holes with. So basically poke a hole through, and then you push the skewer in. Make sure it's in all the way. And then we stick it into this hole. Like so. And then I repeat the process on the other side. Make sure that also this, the bee's wing is facing the same direction. For some reason, okay, like this. Make sure that the bee's wings are like going to be like here. Then I take the skewer, push it through, and stick it into the other hole on the other side. Like this. Now the bee's wings are fixed. And we're done. Now that you've completed the bee, congratulations on making it. Also, I hope to be seeing you in the next video where I'm probably going to be making the same type as this one, like laying all the bees right in front of you. Also, please let me know in the comment section if you like this way more than my previous way, just showing you all the pieces. And anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.